Hey everyone, I'm Greg with Insta Graphic Systems, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit how to use the controller on your Insta 780. So this is the main screen on the controller, and when you push the temperature, you'll be taken to this screen where you can edit what temperature you have. You just type it in right here on the keypad and hit enter, and then the machine will reset to that temperature. The next option here is for the different modes. So we have the manual mode at the left, semi-automatic in the middle, and fully automatic on the right. And you can read a little bit more about what these modes mean exactly in your manual. Last, I'm going to show you how to set the time here. So you can see there's 4 time settings. The top one is the main one. The bottom 3 are grayed out right now. Those are not in operation, but you can set 4 different times, and it'll just keep cycling through those. That's like if you want to preheat maybe, or you're running different jobs at the same time. But the way to do that is to go here into the settings, and then this bottom middle one, you see now it's on 2 different times. Now it's on 4 different times. And if I go back to the time setting, now you see they're not grayed out anymore. So it'll do 10 seconds, then 15 seconds, then 20 seconds, then 25 seconds. And then you can just go back in here and shut that off if you just want the same time each time. This is to turn the sound on. That's to turn on the countdown. You can see here there's settings for changing from Fahrenheit to Celsius, PSI to bar. And then this setting here, the machine will automatically stop operating if it's either 30 degrees too cold or 30 degrees too hot. And you can adjust that to be tighter tolerance if you want, or looser. It's up to you, and the machine will automatically stop operating. This is just the info page here. Talks a little bit about what version of the machine you have. This is for setting your clock. You can set it 12-hour, 24-hour, etc. This screen, we might ask you to take a picture of this if you're having issues with your machine. This kind of tells us the status of all the sensors. And then this screen is if you want to set up a login or lock the machine, so only certain people can use it. And then finally, I'm going to show you the presets here. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different presets you can set. You can name them and everything. This shows you the settings that come with each preset. And then if you want to edit a preset, you have to save it first. Even though you haven't made any changes, you click save, and then you go back while you're still on that preset, and then you just adjust the time and temperature just like you would otherwise. And once you do that, once you go in and adjust the temperature or the time, you'll see when you go back to the presets that it has updated that preset. So you can see now that preset is updated, and you can save it again that way. And then you can go back and change it back again. I'm going to go change it back to what it originally was. But this Insta 780 is a really powerful machine. We're really happy to have it out. If you have any questions about the operation, or you need help getting set up or anything like that, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help. The manual does have even more information than this video. You can peruse that, figure out how to maximize the settings for your application. Thanks for joining us, and remember, when performance matters, Insta has your total solution.